Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and I'll be doing the Forex analysis for 14th to 18th July 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD pair on Friday. So as you can see 0.11% negative move, 1.16876 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and according to previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart. So first of all, let's open the weekly chart and let's see what happened on the weekly chart last week. So as you can see, this is the weekly chart, and here we can see a bearish candle with the upper and lower wick with a small wicks in the upper and lower side. So if we check the stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI indicates us into an overbought area and which indicates us a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which move the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark important support and resistance zone on 1-day chart. So let's move to the 1-day chart. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So I bring this such kind of video every week. If you can also check my previous week analysis, and accordingly you can check whether my analysis are right or wrong according to the data that I present. So let's now check whether important support or resistance zone are marked down, or some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. As such, we don't need to mark big data, so there are no such data changes, so we don't need to mark anything. Let's see what was the closing. So on Friday, weekly wise closing was 1.16876. Here the direct support is 1.16500 and direct resistance is 1.16921. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16000, and after that there is a support of 1.15500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17454 and then 1.17882. So these are the important support and resistance zone that I have marked. So do consider marking it on your chart also. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in my description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm and how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. On the right side corner, you will be able to see, right upper corner, you will be able to see a eye icon where the Forex playlist would be showing. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move around this range, that is 1.6921 to 1.17454. In this range, I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. And also, if the momentum is strong, then we will also be able to see 1.17454 is bridge. Then we'll be able to see more positive move in this pair. So do check out this pair. It's very important in this week. Also, if you're looking for any bearish side position, then you should only consider bearish move only when 1.16500 level is breached and a 1-day candle closes below it. Before that, you should not take any bearish position. I would still consider only bullish position for this week. Also in 1-day chart, the stochastic RSI is at the oversold area, which also gives us a pullback option. So do consider getting only on bullish side position. So overall, my expectation is positive for this week. What are your expectations? Just let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.